Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore some amazing yoga stretching exercises that will not only help you wake up your body, but will also improve your flexibility, range of motion, and overall alignment. Let's start with some deep diaphragmatic breathing exercises. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly and your thighs with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the air from your belly and thighs. Repeat this cycle 10 to 15 times, paying attention to how your breath connects with your body. Now, let's move on to some dynamic stretches. Starting in a tabletop position, bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides. Next, place your left knee behind your left wrist, hold for 5 seconds, and switch sides again. These stretches will help open up your hips and improve your range of motion. Now, let's work on some spinal flexibility. Inhale and arch your back, looking up through your spine. Hold for 5 seconds, then exhale and roll back down, gently tucking your tailbone under. Repeat 10 times, paying attention to how your spine feels as you roll and tuck. To finish, let's do some arm and leg stretches. Starting in a tabletop position, bring your right arm forward and place it behind your head. Hold for 5 seconds, then switch sides. Next, bring your left arm forward and place it behind your head. Hold for 5 seconds, and switch sides again. These stretches will help improve circulation and range of motion in your arms and legs. And that's it for our morning stretching routine. Remember to always warm up before stretching and maintain proper form throughout each exercise. As you become more flexible, you'll notice improvements in your daily life, from walking more efficiently to sleeping better at night. Happy stretching!